Hey everybody, it's Melissa Feetsum today, and I have something really great for you that is going to kind of tie into a lot of things, but let me get started. So the idea that I want to ingrain in you today is that you need to do posts on your business and social media, all of your social media platforms that have nothing to do with your business, and this is why. Because you're not allowed to post about your business on your main Facebook timeline, okay? It's not appropriate and you shouldn't be doing that. But if you have a source like a blog or even a Facebook business page, you can see that you can create these posts that don't have anything to do with your business, but lead back to information about your business in a sneaky, tricky little way. All right. So here you have something that is of interest to me. Okay. I'm on the keto diet plan, and I am really working on all of these keto like recipes and things like that. So this is something that is an interest to me. I love it. I'm excited about it. It is personal, and you can tell that in my conversation. It's a personal, intimate thing that I'm sharing with my friends. Okay, so here I have a post about iced keto coffee. Okay, for one, this is huge searchable content. Okay, so I've got a Pinterest post on this. I got a Facebook business page post on this. I'm going to put this on YouTube. I'm going to do all kinds of things with this post. But here you can see I have it on my personal timeline, right? So iced keto coffee. Anyone else do that on the keto diet? Okay, so this is engagement, call to action on my post. And then I have the ingredients, and this makes it a great graphic that talks about it, and it leads back to my blog. Okay, so my company direct sales blog. So the reason that I have this is because even though it doesn't talk about my business, for one, it has, you can see on that graphic, it has my website on that graphic, and then it's going to lead them to my blog, which has other information about my business. So here, the whole goal of this, now I just posted this and I already have 2 shares. Why is that great? Because people are sharing my post that's leading them to my business and they don't even know it, right? So, and they don't even care because they want to save. Basically, most of the time people share something that they want to save, all right? So think about that. Would someone want to save this? Because that's a lot of the times why people share it, is because they actually just want to save it for themselves and they don't realize that we actually have a save button on Facebook. But here's the thing. This creates a lot of engagement because I asked a question, right? So all these people who are doing keto are talking about this and creating conversation and sharing this post, and that's all great for my post because it tells Facebook that it's important, right? So let's go over here. You can actually see that it is on my business page also. So you can see it's over here. And why do we want this on my business page? Because people are sharing it, right? People are sharing it. And that's the most important thing. So 18 people have clicked on that post already, and I just posted it, right? Okay, so let's click on this and it's going to take you to my blog, and I'm going to show you what I mean. So here I have this great post that is talking about the iced keto coffee. Again, this is insanely searchable content, right? So I take this post and I have the perfect size for Facebook, for a blog post to show up on Facebook perfectly, this is a Twitter size graphic, okay? So now I have all of this stuff and the ingredients, and then guess what? I have a Pinterest size graphic over here, right? So I take this and I hit save, and I'm going to take this over to Pinterest, and I'm going to post this on Pinterest, and guess what? That's going to lead all of those people from Pinterest over to my site, which does what? Has all this stuff about shop now, join 31 gifts. So if they want to learn more about me or follow my blog, guess what? They're not just going to get keto recipes, they're also going to get, you know, information about my business, right? Right. So this is smart social media marketing. And this is what I'm talking about, especially in the elite group. You know, we posted something this morning also, so they're really excited. That's why you keep seeing notifications pop up. But in the elite group this month, we're actually training on how to create a blog. So you're going to get the beginner's blog training, but it shows you why it's so important to have a landing page for information like this, because they're going to subscribe to my blog from Facebook, from Instagram. I'm going to post this everywhere because this is highly searchable content. That's great content that leads people to my business without being spammy. I am actually offering something of value to my community and my customers, and this is without mentioning my business even one time. And this is how we do it, okay? This is how we do it. Sorry, had to do that. Okay, so anyways, I just wanted to show you this amazing way to share your business. I talk about this all the time, but you know, this just goes to show, this is a really great example of how you can do that in your business and take something to that level. And actually, let's go over here and I can show you some different posts that I've had. Let's go back to, let's see, what do I have in July? So they would have gotten that post, right? So here's another example, student to student textbook rush. This is, you can rent your college books for a fraction of the cost. You wouldn't believe how many shares I had on this post on my business page. It was insane how many people shared this post. You can actually go back through and see how many people shared this post. But I was talking about my son going to college and how he rents his books from Amazon, and I gave him a bunch of places that they can actually rent their textbooks. So this post was shared so many times, but this is another example of, I try to do one post every single month on my blog and my business page that actually is just for the purpose of share, and getting more traffic to my business in an unspammy way. So I just really want to drill this into you. And like I said, if you're in the elite group, you're going to get trained on how to do a blog, how to build your own blog and maintain that in less than 4 posts a month. But you don't need a blog. If you don't have a blog, you can actually use your Facebook business page. Your business page can be like your blog because you can share that link from anywhere to any social media platform, including Pinterest and all kinds of other things. So I just want you to make, you know, a conscious effort to provide something of value and interest to you so that you can reach other niches in your business. This is so important when it comes to our businesses and the way that social media is moving and the way that direct sales is moving. You know, we're moving in a new direction, and you have to jump on board and you have to learn social media in order to get those retail sales and new lead generation coming into your business on a constant basis. So anyways, love you. If you want to check out the elite group, just click on www.joindirectlysocial.com and you'll be able to join us for the blog training this month. Bye guys.